In this video, we'll be showing you how to make the traditional Filipino dessert suman using glutinous rice and wrapped in banana leaves. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of steaming the rice to perfection and serving it with a touch of sugar or coconut milk. Whether you're a fan of this dessert or just curious about its history, this guide will provide a comprehensive and delicious overview of this beloved treat. Get ready to create your own delicious and authentic suman with this easy-to-follow recipe. What is suman? Suman is a traditional Filipino dessert made from glutinous rice and wrapped in banana leaves. Malagkit refers to the glutinous or sticky rice used in the dish. Suman is often steamed and served with sugar or coconut milk. Brief history. Suman is believed to have originated from the pre-colonial Philippines, where it was a staple food for indigenous communities. The dish was made from sticky rice and served as an offering to their gods and ancestors. Over time, it evolved into a popular snack and dessert, often served during special occasions and festivals. Today, suman remains a beloved treat in the Philippines and is enjoyed by people of all ages. Suman in business. Suman has become a profitable business in the Philippines, with many small-scale and large-scale producers selling the dessert both locally and internationally. Some traditional methods of making suman are still used, while others have adopted modern techniques to increase product and meet demand. The use of quality ingredients, unique flavors, and creative packaging have also helped to distinguish different brands and attract customers. Additionally, suman can be found in various forms, such as flavored, sweetened, and stuffed with ingredients like coconut, and chocolate, allowing for a diverse range of offerings in the market. Here's a simple method for making traditional Filipino suman. Ingredients: 2 cups glutinous rice, 2 cups water, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup white sugar. Banana leaves, cut into rectangles and wilted over an open flame. Instructions: 1. Rinse the glutinous rice and soak it in water for at least 30 minutes. 2. Drain the water from the rice and transfer it to a pot with 2 cups of fresh water. 3. Cook the rice over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the water is absorbed and the rice is partially cooked. 4. Add the coconut milk and sugar to the rice and stir until well combined. 5. Cook the rice mixture over low heat, stirring constantly, until it becomes sticky and fully cooked. 6. Prepare the banana leaves by cutting them into rectangles and wilting them over an open flame to make them pliable. 7. Spoon a portion of the rice mixture onto the center of each banana leaf rectangle. 8. Fold the banana leaf to encase the rice mixture and secure the edges with toothpicks or string. 9. Steam the suman for 30 to 45 minutes or until fully cooked. 10. Serve the suman warm with sugar or coconut milk if desired. Note: you can add additional flavorings to the rice mixture, such as jackfruit or chocolate, to create different variations of suman.